let's begin. We are finished with the bond of love. Today we are discussing questions, right? So, okay, children, you see the first question. Here are given some headings. These headings have to be matched with the paragraphs of the lesson, right? Just go through these, just browse at these headings, and I think it will take 1 minute only, and identify the paragraphs and then give the answer. Quick. An orphaned cup, Bruno's food chart, an accidental case of poisoning, playful Baba, pain of separation, joy of reunion, a request to the zoo, an island in the courtyard. Yes, quick.
Ma'am, first is third paragraph.
First is third paragraph. Okay.
And second is sixth paragraph.
Right. An accidental case of poisoning.
Ma'am, 8th para.
8, right. Playful Baba.
Ma'am, 12th.
12, right. Pain of separation.
Ma'am, 13th.
Just see this again. Pain of separation.
Ma'am, 14th.
14th. 14th is correct. And joy of reunion.
Ma'am, 20th.
20th would be too
Ma'am,
far.
17th.
Yes.
Ma'am, 17.
17th is right.
Oh.
Yes, 17th is right. Joy of reunion, I think it should be 16th. Yes, children, just see. Because in 16th paragraph, he said that when Baba saw her and recognized her, he howled with happiness. He stood on his head in delight, right? Whereas in the 17th paragraph, the closing time came and they had to leave. They were crying bitterly, right? So in 17th paragraph, more it has been highlighted the departure. But the reunion actually happens in 16th paragraph. All right? Okay. A request to the zoo.
Ma'am, 18th.
18th. An island in the courtyard.
Ma'am, 21st.
21st. That's right. Yeah? Okay. Now here is the comprehension. These are the statements taken up from the lesson itself. And there are questions based on these statements. So you will answer. I got him for her by accident. Who says this? Or if I say, who is I?
The narrator.
The narrator. The narrator says this, or the narrator is I. Who do him and her refer to? First of all, who does him refer to?
Ma'am, Bruno.
Right. And her?
The narrator's wife.
Right. That is the narrator's wife. The author's wife, you will say here. Okay. Yes. One thing here I would like to tell you, children. Like the question is, who do him and her refer to? Now, anyway, we are orally discussing, so you say that. But when you are writing, you will write him refers to Bruno and her refers to the author's wife. If you simply write Bruno author's wife, then you will not get full marks. If it is carrying 1 mark, you will get half mark. All right. So please take care. You have to write complete answer. What is the incident referred to here?
Ma'am, when the narrator and his friends passing through a sugarcane field in Mysore,
Yes.
suddenly they saw black soth bear,
Uh-huh.
and the one author's friend
Mhm.
shot it suddenly because they afraid of it.
Right. Right.
When they shot it,
Huh?
there is a movement on the back of bear,
Mother bear.
mother bear.
Yes.
Then they looked closely and realized it was a baby bear
Mhm.
which had been riding on the mother's back.
Right. Very correct. And it's an elaborate answer you have given, Anmol. But one thing you should not forget, in this question is carrying only 1 mark. So for 1 mark answer, you will not waste your time. Okay. Your answer has to be very, very precise. Very precise. To the point. Now you know the answer. So can you just give me one sentence answer? See what the author says. I got him for her by accident.
Ma'am,
They got
the
Bruno.
accident refers to the catching of the baby bear.
Right, right. It refers to the incident when the author has caught the baby bear and brought him home. Is that clear? This is what should be the answer. Yes, Anmol, you wanted to say something?
Ma'am, I said this accident referred to the baby bear.
No, catching of the baby bear. Or when the baby bear was caught and brought home. Right? Okay. He stood on his head in delight. Now, who does he refer to?
He refers to Bruno, the baby bear,
Right. Why was he delighted?
because he saw the author's wife.
He saw the author's wife after a
After,
long time.
yes.
Right? He saw the author's wife after a long time. This was actually the reason of his being happy. Okay? Yes. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense, we were relieved. Who does we all stand for?
The narrator, his wife,
Right?
and son.
And his son or the family. Right? Okay. Who did they miss?
They missed the baby bear.
They missed the baby bear. Why did they nevertheless feel relieved?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of nevertheless?
However, anyway, they were missing him, yet they were feeling relieved. Thank God. Relief is like we say, oh, thank God he has gone. Thank God Zoo has agreed to keep him. This kind of feeling, right? So why did they get relieved?
Because now Bruno is not as we kept at a pet on at home,
Mhm.
and they realized that they had to go zoo and release the Bruno.
Okay. Okay. Any other? Vinayak, what do you say about it?
Ma'am, they relieved because it was getting difficult to keep the baby bear at home.
Right. Because he had become so big. or he had outgrown, right? So how you will answer this question? They felt relieved because the baby bear had outgrown now and it had become difficult to keep him at home. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's come to the next section of the question answers. Answer these short questions. On 2 occasions, Bruno ate or drank something that should not be eaten or drunk. What happened to him on these occasions? First of all, let us find out those 2 occasions. What was the first incident or first occasion when Bruno ate or drank something?
He ate barium carbonate first.
Right. Okay. Where did he find barium carbonate? Now, this is a bit, I mean, that not one word, one marker question. However short, but 30 to 40 words. Yes.
One day, when author kept a barium carbonate or a poison to kill rat and mice in library,
Right.
Bruno entered in the library and he ate some of the poison because he didn't know about the poison,
Right.
and that the paralysis set into the Bruno's body.
Right.
And he,
Instead of saying Anmol that paralysis set into his body, you would say that he had a stroke of paralysis. All right, you should note it down. He had a stroke of paralysis. As a result, he could not move. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vinayak, do you want to add something to this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let us sum up the first incident first. Okay. You have very well expounded and more. Yet, now look here, you would say on first occasion, Bruno had sneaked into the library where the author had kept some barium carbonate to kill the rats and mice in his library. Bruno was ignorant or unaware of this barium carbonate, that it was poison. He just consumed or he ate this. As a result, he got a stroke of paralysis for some time. He could not move, but he dragged himself to the other room where the author and his family were. Is that clear? Now, what was the second occasion?
Another occasion is when the Bruno drank some old engine oil.
Some old engine oil that was kept by the author in the sump of Studebaker, right? That is an old American car, right? And what happened to him then?
Whatever, but he thankful to all. It was no effect to
Yes,
his.
he was unharmed, right? He was not harmed. He had been okay. All right. So the second incident was when he had drunk a gallon of engine oil that was kept by the author in the sump of his vehicle. Okay. But thankfully, it did not harm him and Bruno was okay. Is that clear, this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Was Bruno a loving and playful pet?
Yes, Bruno was a loving and playful pet.
When you say, you see that now in this kind of question, there are 2 parts of the question. Was Bruno a loving and playful pet? The answer is yes. The second part is, why then did he have to be sent away? In the first part, when you say yes, now in class 9th onwards, you are not expected to give answers in only yes or no. When you say yes or no, you have to give reasons or you have to give an evidence to support your answer. Is that clear? In the second part of the question, why did he have to be sent away? That is another incident happens in the story where you are expected to give the reasons for that. Right? So in the first part, when you say, yes, he was a loving and playful pet, you give an evidence to confirm that he was a loving and playful pet. Evidence meaning give examples from the story.
He loves to play with Alsatian dogs.
Alsatian dogs.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And also to play with tenants' children.
Right, right. Yes. He was a playful pet as he would love to perform various playful tricks. For example, cuddling the baby, shooting a gun, etc. Is that clear? So at least 2 examples you have to give here. Okay. So you would say that Bruno was a loving and playful pet. He had been playing with the narrator's 2 Alsatian dogs very playful, very fondly. And also he had been happy in the company of the tenant's children. He was such a playful pet that he would perform various playful activities like cuddling the baby or shooting the gun, etc. Clear this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe that
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
given only one single question. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको ये दोनों sections ही आ जाए एग्जाम में, आपको एक भी दे सकते हैं. Okay. Okay. Why then did he have to be sent away? Or why did the narrator's family want to send him away? Why
Because
did they want to keep him at home?
because after 11 to 12 months ago, the Bruno is now outgrowing.
Right.
Kept as a pet.
Yes.
That's why author's family decided to back to the zoo.
Right. Very good. Fine. So now he had become outgrown. He had become too big in size. So it was difficult to keep him as a pet at home. That's why they thought that he had to be sent away to the zoo. Right? Very good answers. Okay, the next. How was the problem of what to do with Bruno finally solved?
Can you explain the question?
Question is, how was the problem of what to do with Bruno finally solved? Bruno had been away to the zoo, right? Try to understand the situation. Bruno had been away to the zoo. Bruno was not happy being there. Was he happy?
No, ma'am.
Bruno was not happy. Now, it's not only that only author's wife had been fond of him. The whole family had got attached with him. They could not see him sulking. They could not see him fretting because of being separated from the family. So this was the problem, what to do with Bruno. Because he could not be kept as a pet at home. Since he was too big in size, it was unmanageable. So what had they decided finally? How did they solve this problem?
They requested to the zoo.
Yes, zoo superintendent.
Zoo superintendent to give back the Bruno to home. But now the Bruno is outgrowing to kept as a pet at home. So they decided to make a
They decided to provide a natural kind of habitat to Bruno. So what did they do for that?
They
What
make
did they do?
they make an island for
They
Baba.
created. At most, they created an island. They created an island for him. And they had provided all those things, all those facilities which were required by Bruno. Because Arthur's wife was well versed with, she was very much familiar with the needs of Bruno. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I will reorganize the answer. Now listen attentively. You would say, Bruno had been sent to the zoo, but 3 months after, when the author and his wife visited the zoo and saw Bruno, they could easily make out that Bruno had missed them greatly. In fact, they were also missing him greatly. They felt that Bruno had become thin. Now, when the author's wife had to return, it was difficult for her. She never wanted to leave him there. So the family met the zoo superintendent and requested him to return Bruno to them. Zoo superintendent, who was a kind person, he agreed, but he had definitely inquired from the family, how are they going to keep this huge animal? So they had planned to create an island. Zoo superintendent had sent his workers to the house in creating that island for Bruno. When Bruno was brought there, all the facilities or all those things were provided to Bruno which were required by him. So in this way, a natural habitat was given to Bruno. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's come to the next. This is vocabulary part. Here are the words, right? The words, some of these words, they have IE missing, some have EI missing. You have to do it very carefully where you think that it is missing. You will find, anyway, first you do, then I'll discuss. Yes.
First is IE, field.
Field, right?
Second is also IE, ingredients.
Okay.
Third is EI, height.
Right.
Fourth is mischievous, EI.
It would be IE. Because you see mischief. Don't we say chief? CHIEF? Mischief? CHIEF? Mischievous? CHIEVOUS. Right? Yes.
Friends, IE.
Right.
ATEI.
EI.
Relieved, IE.
Yes.
Peace, IE.
IE. That's right. Okay. Now there is another collection of words. Again, you have to complete them with EI or IE. Yes.
Believe, IE.
Okay.
Receive, IE.
It would be EI. You see that this is the rule that I comes before E. But if there is C, then it comes E first and then I. So it is REC, EI. REL, IE. But REC, EI. right? Yes. Next.
Weird. EI.
Yes. EI, right?
And fourth one is what?
Yes. So here it is leisure. Leisure. Leisure is free time. Yes.
Size. EI.
No, it is called seize. 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 Then
Weight.
EI. Next, rain.
EI.
REIGN. This rain meaning rule. Next, feign. Rain, feign. FEIGN.
Ma'am, what is
Next,
the meaning of pain?
feign is what you call, just a minute. Feign is something with dullness or sadness. Just a minute, let me check exactly. I have the word, but I am unable to tell you. Just a minute. Oh, just a minute. Yes, can you see, children? Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
You cannot see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. Can you see the screen now?
No, ma'am.
But the screen is very much there. Just a minute.
Ma'am, we can see the exercise only.
You can see only?
Exercise.
Yes? Exercises. Yes, you can see that, no? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, it's okay. Feign is a kind of feeling, right? It's a kind of dull feeling. Sometimes it is fake also. You pretend that you have that kind of feeling. Is that clear? So it's a kind of dull feeling. Yes, next is
Grief. EI.
IE. Grief, IE. Next is
I don't know.
pierce, PIE. Pierce is like piercing with the pin. Is that right?
Yes,
Pierce
ma'am.
is just like piercing with the pin. Fine. So this was thinking about the language. Rest, now let me see which is another exercise important for you. I skip all these. Yes, there I came across one report is there I had come across. You must read that report for yourself. Report in support of snake charmers. Okay. Yes, here is an exercise on adverbs. Adverbs are the words which end with ly. Most of the adverbs, they end with ly. So in the second part of this exercise, the adverbs have been provided and you have to choose. But in the first one, they have not been provided. So you have to use yourself. Let's see the first one. Rana does her homework.
Regularly.
Right, very right. Rana does her homework regularly, neatly, properly, daily, sincerely. It can be anything, but it has to be adverb. Okay? It rains dash in Mumbai in June. Yes. It rains dash. Yes.
Suddenly.
No. Just think of adjective that we use for rain. It rains heavily. Right? It rains heavily in Mumbai in June. He does his work
Neatly.
neatly, sincerely. The
Daily.
dog serves his master. The dog serves his master faithfully. Right? Okay. Now here the options are given in the bracket. So you will choose. Now these are not ly kind of adverbs. These are different. Okay. They must be adverbial words, adverbial phrases, etc. We should dash get down from a moving train.
Never.
Never. I was dash in need of support after my poor performance.
Badly.
Right, badly. Rita met with an accident. The doctor examined her.
Immediately.
Immediately. The doctor examined her immediately. Right? So the first and the last, they are adverbs of time. Okay.
Ma'am, can we write down suddenly also or not?
Where? Here? No.
Ma'am,
Not
can we
suddenly.
write?
No. We immediately is correct. Immediately meaning soon after she met an accident, the doctor had attended to her. Suddenly the doctor would not see. Yes, accident can happen suddenly, right? Yes, it could be Rita met an accident suddenly. Okay, but here they are asking that Rita met an accident, then the doctor examined her. When? Immediately. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go to, yes, that's all here. And here is the topic. Animals also feel the pleasure of love and the pain of separation. You must write on this topic at least 2-3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, explain this statement. In the second one, give an example, refer to the book, refer to the story. And in the third one, you give your own example, right? You have observed a dog. You have observed any animal with such feelings of love and affection. You have seen one feeling the pain of separation. Just as, for example, today only one of my acquaintances, when I was talking to them on the phone, so she had to go somewhere. She said she cannot go. I said, why? She said her pet was unwell. And what has happened all of a sudden? Why he was unwell? Because rest of the family is away. And this pet is missing all of them. As a result, what it is? He felt sick. So there was nothing wrong. Till yesterday, he was hale and hearty. But today I heard that he was unwell. So they also experience the pain of separation. They are very emotional, right? So just think of such examples. Then here it is. Yes. Pets have unique care and handling requirements and should only be kept by those with the commitment to understand and meet their needs. Give your argument in support of or against this statement. आपकी क्लास में होता है कभी डिबेट होता है कभी क्लास में?
No, ma'am.
ओके हमारे स्कूल में हम लोग कराते हैं. डिबेट में क्या होता है? द होल क्लास वी डिवाइड इनटू 2 ग्रुप्स, राइट? एक ग्रुप जो है वो जो भी टॉपिक हम देते हैं उसके अगेंस्ट होता है और एक ग्रुप जो है उसी टॉपिक के फेवर में बोलता है. तो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि जब एक ग्रुप सपोज जो फेवर वाला वो बोलेगा तो सब जो अगेंस्ट वाला है वो उसके किसी भी पॉइंट पर उसको अपोज कर सकता है. But we tell the children that let him or her finish first and then you will oppose. So that's how the debate takes place in the class, right? So here is the point that somebody said that pets have unique care and handling requirements. If you keep pets at home, then you need to give extra time and attention because the pets, they need care, they need your handling. So those people who understand this and who are committed to take care of the pets, only they should be keeping pets, not the rest of the people. Do you agree with this or not?
Ma'am, I agree with this.
Yes. Because bringing pet at home does not mean that you have just brought him and you have dumped him and it's done. No. You have to take care, first of all, the personal hygiene of the pet. You are giving him clean condition. You are taking care of his eating habits, his sleeping, according to the weather, his requirements, his needs. And the most important is love and affection as a family member. Then only pet can survive in your environment, otherwise the pet cannot. Right? Now, why you think that the pet also need the same care or attention? Answer is very simple. They also have love. They also have feelings and emotions. Isn't it? And then give an example, right? अब यहाँ पर एक रिपोर्ट है, रिपोर्ट इन सपोर्ट ऑफ स्नेक चार्मर्स. कई लोग स्नेक चार्मर्स को अपोज करते हैं, they should not be there. But here this report is in favor of them. So you must read. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, इसके बाद फिर next poem शुरू हो जाती है, The Snake Charm. That I'll take up next week. It will take just one day only. Till then, goodbye. If any problem, you can ask me. Or you can just... bolo.
Ma'am, this year, chapter 5, The Snake and the Mirror is omitted.
The Snake and the Mirror has been omitted. Yes. Just a minute. Let me confirm. But this has been omitted. Yes. The Snake and the Mirror has been omitted.
Okay.
Right? So only one chapter is left after this poem. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Take care.